yourself, is it worth running the generator just for some coffee? And yes, sometimes it can be. So that's how we make coffee when we're boondocking. We don't have to do the last part with the blender. That's called bulletproof coffee when we do that. It's a keto thing, and it also is a tasty thing. But we can run the generator a couple minutes and run the blender. Overall, the percolator pot we got from Walmart for, I don't know, $5 or $6 maybe. And put a little filter in that, and it works great. We've been using that every day. So a great way to do coffee while you're boondocking, just over the propane stove, or the first morning we did it over a little campfire. So all you need is some kind of heat source, and you're good to go. You can have your coffee brewed, not instant. And then if you want to run the generator, you can go ahead and have yourself some bulletproof coffee too. Yummy. Well, we're getting ready to wrap it up here. Boondocking out here at Snyder Hill, BLM. Tomorrow would have been a week. I've got to get back and get the camper hooked up and do some work. So we're having to leave a day early, but we know that we could have definitely made it through tonight into tomorrow. 7 full days. So we feel like it was very successful. And I got to say that I think that it feels different to do long-term boondocking versus just a couple days. Once we got settled in and people came and people went, and we started to really kind of feel at home, you know, in our own space here. And you know, it feels kind of free and open, and I don't know. It's like something that we could do probably extremely long-term. I wouldn't have any issue with going, dumping the tanks, filling the water, you know, the gray and black tanks, filling the freshwater tank and coming right back to where we're at, or go on to the next BLM. But we really enjoyed our stay here. The people around us were great. We met some really cool people from all different walks of life. Everybody was, you know, more than willing to stop and have a conversation, or at least wave. And again, like I said in the last video, everybody was really respectful of one another, barring that one guy. And you know what? He's not gonna take our experience from us. He's not gonna take it from anybody here. It was awesome to see sort of the nomad community kind of band together when there was one problem and solve it. You know, I think we were more unified out here than you would find in most neighborhoods. So and had never met each other before. So pretty cool. Pretty cool to be part of this community. Great group of people. Awesome that these properties are out there to take advantage of. You know, we've been in the water management areas in Florida. They were fantastic, and I feel the same way about these BLM areas out west here. I can't wait to go find some more. So I just want to give a few quick thoughts on, you know, our experiences. We're wrapping up, getting ready to hook up. We will revisit the water plan and see how that went. We ended up having to make some adaptations and stuff, and we'll let you know how that all worked out and things that we would do differently next time. And we'll also talk about power a little bit. I actually made a discovery today about the television, so I'll share that with y'all here in the near future as well. Lots and lots to talk about, but just want to get a quick one out today as we're leaving to give you our thoughts. You know, this really impacted me being out here, and I think it did my family as well. I don't think any of us are ready to go. Pretty cool. Anyways, y'all take care. If you enjoy the videos, please give them a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Share them. That all helps us out. We really appreciate it, and we love all the comments. Been getting a lot of comments. We try and reply to every one. You know, we're all part of that community, right? Feel free to share your comments, and let's communicate, you know, through that way. Or you can catch us on Facebook at Camper Size Living, or on Instagram at Camper Size Living as well. So we look forward to hearing from y'all. we're gonna take off, and we'll see y'all soon. Take care, y'all. Bye now. One more sunset. One more sunset. Just gorgeous. Y'all ready to go?
Yeah. Almost. Let's go. I have to get all the trees out. Then I'm done. I made my bed.